Well, we have taken you back into the hallway so you can get a look at some of these interviews happening right now. Of course, this whole hallway area is just lined with tables. Students getting a chance to meet one-on-one for these practice interviews, going through a lot of different questions. We want to bring in Karen Richie right now. Karen is with Success Dynamics, and we were talking about just how important these practice interviews are today.
Yes, they are. The interviews are so important because these are high school students, and this may be the first interview they've ever had. And we make it special because we add feedback and coaching to the interview to help them get a head start for the real job interview they will face.
Which is so important. So as they're getting to know each other as they first sit down and going through that interview process, what are some of the things that these folks are asking?
We send the questions in advance to the students so that they can practice with their teachers, and some of them actually come very well prepared. And we ask them about what their skills are. We want them to be able to express their skills to the future employer, and we also ask them about other things like work ethic and things that are important to employers.
And then the volunteers that are doing these interviews, tell me a little bit about the folks that you brought in to help.
These volunteers are human resource and business professionals from all around the community. And these professionals have volunteered their time to take a day off work. They all have jobs and they're working at doing important things. And they're taking a day off to come and spend the time with these students to help these students get a head start on their future careers.
And of course, the interview skills that they're learning here today really carry over into so many different things, not just job interviews, but other interviews as well, whether it's getting into colleges and things like that.
Sure, the interviews could be for a job, it could be a college interview, it could be for a scholarship. It's going to be something important in their lives, and we want to take the time that we have with each student to help give them a head start.
What an incredible opportunity today is for these students.
Sure, it is great, and we're glad to be able to donate our time to help the employees of the future.
All right, well, and we're just getting started. Karen, thanks so much for taking the time to join us today. Of course, it's all about business happening throughout the morning. They're going to have lunch, and then the students will make their way back to their buses and head back to their schools, and of course, go home learning an incredible amount of information as they get ready to enter into that career world. Chris, I'm going to send it back to you now in the studio.